came back from another press trip. Let's see what we have for product reviews here. So this is a magnetic car phone holder, very useful for all cars, so we're gonna try it later today. So here I am in this beautiful 2026 Volkswagen T1 with this super nice screen, huge screen, instrument panel. And I have this Wigoo magnetic car phone holder, so let's try it here because again, even though the screen is so nice and everything, we still need the phone accessible. So let's open this up here. Let's see what we got here in the box. We have some rings in case your phone doesn't have a magnet. In this case we do. We have some wipes, dry and wet, and a template if you were to put it somewhere here permanently. This is not my car, so I won't put it here. Has a lifetime warranty, which is nice to know. You have to activate it within 10 days of purchase, and you scan it here. Basic instruction, nothing really difficult. It has some protective plastic film. And basically, once you put it in place, you lock it, you twist it, you remove the film. Should be good to go. So let's put this away. Here's a base also to put it here a permanent way. I hope it sticks for now so we can do a demonstration. And here it is. Wow, feels really solid. My phone already has a magnet. There you go. So we will put it, let's say, here. Let's remove this. Let's try it here. Again, this is not gonna be permanent, but you get the idea. You twist a little bit. And there it is. Let's go for a little ride and see how it holds up. It's pretty good. So if I get a call or something, I can still have it here, although I can connect the phone through Bluetooth to the car. I will still work like that, but again, this is a test car from Volkswagen, so I cannot have it here permanently, but I like the holder really. But I really like the new holder here. I'm gonna find a permanent home for it. I'm sure one of my friends is gonna be happy with it. So there you go. Quick demonstration on this Volkswagen T1 Turbo Edition.